In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blank screen in CapCut PC. If you need a clean black or white background for a title card, a chapter break, or a simple outro, CapCut makes this very easy to do. The good news is that you do not need to create anything from scratch or import an image from somewhere else. Everything you need is already built into the program. To begin, move your mouse to the top left area of the screen and click on the Media tab. Once you are there, look just below it at the vertical panel on the left side and choose the folder called Library. This section opens CapCut's built-in collection of free assets, including stock materials, background elements, textures, and solid color options. If you have never used this panel before, think of it as a quick access resource for simple visual elements you can drop directly into your project. At the top of the asset grid, you should see the basic solid color tiles. These are the easiest way to create a blank screen. Hover over the plain black tile if you want a classic dark background, or choose the pure white tile if you want a bright, clean look. When you hover over the tile, you will see a blue plus icon appear in the corner. Click that icon and CapCut will instantly place the blank screen onto your timeline. This is the fastest method because it sends the background directly into your project without any extra setup. Now go down to the timeline and click once on the blank screen clip you just added so it is selected. After that, look at the outer right edge of the clip. You can click and drag that edge to the right to make the blank screen stay visible longer. This is useful when you want enough time to place text, titles, or visual pointers on top of the background. A duration of around 5 seconds usually works well, especially for title cards or section transitions, because it gives viewers enough time to read what is on screen without feeling rushed. And that's it. You have now created a solid blank background using CapCut's free built-in library. It is quick, clean, and perfect for adding simple visual pauses or polished title moments.